Tannet has stood on a turning point for transformation and upgrading to high-end services and global services in 2014, which marks not only a review of Tannet's past 15 years' experience, but also a future outlook for the next 15 years' development. Until 2014, Tannet Group has set up 20 administrative departments, 12 business service centers, employed over 600 talents, established a partnership with over 3,000 institutions and 8,000 individuals, and developed more than 60,000 clients. Talents based in Greater China serves the world of business, targeting value-added investment and strategic development. It has grown up to be not only a corporate service provider, but also a private equity investor. At present, the group is sparing no effort in building one CityLink Industrial Alliance and 3 business incubators, which will involve all businesses for enhancing Tannet's future development and strengthening competitiveness. Tannet Startup Outbound. Tannet's story began in Hong Kong in 1999. After surviving from Asia economic turmoil, Mr. Carlson Chan started up his first ventured business from a small accounting firm, from which Tannet came into being. Due to limited financial and other resources, Tannet ventured a virtual office to run offshore business and started online promotion. And as the saying goes, no pains, no gains. Tannet has eventually shaped his commercial and corporate profit model. After getting his own business started up, Tannet focused on outbound services for Chinese investors and business people to start up companies, and investment matters in Hong Kong and Macau, BVI and Soma, Malaysia and Singapore, UK and USA and other offshore jurisdictions. In 2002, Tannet has witnessed his breakthroughs in his online promotion and his self-incubation. As a result, more and more people turn to Tannet for business advice and solutions on investment analysis and decision-making, corporate formation and management, business marketing and management, project investment and financing, offshore merger and acquisition, trademark registration, and patent design. The customer's trust and brand awareness increased Tannet's confidence and acknowledgement in the fiercely competitive market. After groundbreaking success in the consulting sector in Hong Kong and Shenzhen, policymakers of Tannet were inspired to put forward the fourth five-year plan with a bigger ambition. The group has also put up a blueprint for running a China expat service center with online and offline functions, which provides a better chance for inbound foreign investors and business people to know Chinese investment situation more quickly and easily. Everyone is welcomed to get information, consultation, and secretarial assistances from the center. Expats have regarded it as a path to China and a home in China. Tenants grow up, inbound. During the previous 15 years, Tannet has expanded and grown in size and know-how. The Expat Service Center expands faster and expected and is warmly welcomed and patronaged by our foreign clients. With our local presence and international vision, Tannet's work team has increased from several employees to hundreds. Staff members in our company are mature, multilingual, self-disciplined, and richly experienced. We fully understand market requirements. They are able to narrow cultural and business differences that often hinder business success in Asia. As clients say, I trust Tannet. I like Tannet because of their good service. So far, Tannet's work team consists of lawyers, CPA, tax experts, chartered company secretaries, business consultants, and industrial experts who work closely with a sense of responsibility, mission, honor, and belongingness. Tannet's service network has covered China's first-tier cities. Based in Hong Kong and Shenzhen, Tannet has extended its service outlets to Taiwan, Macau, Dongguan, Guangzhou, Shanghai, Beijing, Shenyang, Chengdu, Yiwu, Nanchang, Xiamen, and Zhuanzhou municipalities, forming the Sound and Chain Service Network in Greater China, providing one-stop and customer-oriented services for foreign investors' convenience. Tannet has been proud of its online services. This brain base, owned by the group, serves as a think tank, a search engine, and a wisdom bank. This multiple functional website offers online information services, business consultation, commercial promotion, business culture exchange, and balance between supply and demand. It makes daily business intelligence or investment and strategic services more understandable and accessible. In a word, talent needs further development and device improvements to fulfill clients' requests. The enterprise will broaden its service network, ranging from real field to virtual field, from onshore to offshore, from online to offline, from undertaking to outsourcing. Our services will be tailor-made to meet expats' needs. Tannet's Gear Up 2014 represents the beginning of the fourth five-year plan in talent strategy, which acted in concert with China's 10-year roadmap of deepening reform and transformation. China's government lifted restrictions on minimum registered capital, payment deadlines, down payment ratios and cash ratios of registered capital on March 1st. This policy aimed at creating better investment environment and encouraging startups and refreshing economy. By the end of September 2014, the number of all types of registered market entities in China reached 66.7 million, with registered capital totaling 121.95 trillion RMB. Due to the policy change, we may expect more and more investors or business people flocking into China for a better market share of the world's second-largest economy. Tannet is in a position to carry on simultaneously the localization and globalization for both inbound and outbound businesses. Tannet will upgrade itself from business startup and follow-up services to business speed-up and value-up services, strengthen multilateral culture exchange, enhance business cooperation, and expand the global service network. Furthermore, in order to help entrepreneurs to break the glass ceiling of business speed-up and capital value-up, Carson turned to many industrial companies and professional institutes worldwide for advice and assistance. He successfully created CityLink Industrial Alliance, serving as a business platform, and 3 business incubating machines, serving as business incubator, culture accelerator, and capital operator. This has consolidated the foundation for one city, one cooperator plan on one hand, and paves the way for cultural development acceleration and value-added capital operation on the other hand. Through one business platform and 3 incubating machines, Tannet will further speed up service business of Business Process Service, BPS, Information Technology Service, ITS, and Knowledge Process Service, KPS. From now on, talent will attach great importance to team development. By continuing to build the ideological and material basis, every employee will get a suitable position to become a shareholder of the company, and they shall work diligently and intelligently with a promising future. Integrity and value-added orientation is our top priority of developing momentum and qualified workforce. We would take opportunities to invest in real economy, to adjust and optimize the structure, to transform ourselves from big to strong, to shift our focus on efficiency and quality, and maintain steady, healthy, and sustainable development. Under a clear strategic aim and valuable orientation, let's look forward to great success in the next 15 years.